Are you a West Virginia WIC participant? Learn how to check your WIC balance instantly from your phone and never worry about running out of benefits unexpectedly. Welcome to this explainer. Today we're going to learn exactly how to pull up that West Virginia WIC balance right on your smartphone.
Let me ask you this. Are you a West Virginia WIC participant? Because picture this. You're at the grocery store checkout. The line behind you is getting super long, and suddenly you're hit with that very specific creeping panic. Wait, do I actually have enough left on my EWIC card for this? We call that lane abandonment anxiety. And honestly, it is the worst. But hey, don't worry, because today we are walking through a completely stress-free digital solution that puts your real-time balance literally right in the palm of your hand.
Okay, let's dive into this. Here is our quick roadmap for today. 1. Understanding West Virginia WIC. 2. Setting up mobile apps. 3. Checking your WIC balance. 4. Practical shopping tips. 5. Account security and support. And finally, 6. Conclusion and disclaimers. You're going to get clear, actionable answers every single step of the way. All right, kicking things off with Section 1, Understanding West Virginia WIC. Because, keeping accurate track of your benefits is just a foundational part of managing your household groceries. Now, for anyone who might be newer to the program, WIC stands for the Special Supplemental Nutrition Program for Women, Infants, and Children. It's brilliantly designed to improve lifetime nutrition and health for pregnant women, breastfeeding moms, and kids up to age 5. It provides vital nutrition education and, most importantly, for what we're talking about today, access to healthy foods for eligible families. And the impact here? It's absolutely massive. To put this into perspective, the program serves roughly 47,000 West Virginians. It supports a staggering 75% of the state's infants, plus a quarter of all children between 1 and 5 years old in the state. So, with that many families relying on the support, having seamless digital access to track these benefits is just a huge community priority. Which brings us right to Section 2, Setting up mobile apps. Let's talk about the digital side of things, because West Virginia actually uses a highly robust online digital infrastructure for its benefits, rather than relying on physical smart cards. And this brilliantly illustrates the 3 main digital channels available to West Virginia cardholders. First up is the WIC's Shopper app. You primarily use this for scanning items and checking your real-time balance, and all you need is your 16-digit eWIC card number to get started. Then we have the EBT Edge app, which is perfect for PIN selection, viewing your 30-day transaction history, and even freezing your card. For that one, you'll need a registered user ID and password. Finally, there's the participant portal. That's your go-to for clinic maps, demographic updates, and balance displays. You just need your family ID, which starts with an F, or your EBT number, plus your date of birth. This breakdown right here prevents any confusion about what each tool actually does best. Let's zoom in on the WIC Shopper app for a second. This app is highly trusted. It boasts over 350,000 users nationwide and holds an impressive 4.8-star rating. It's honestly a real game changer for checkout confidence. Setting it up is a simple, empowering 5-step arc. First, you're going to download WIC Shopper from your App Store. You'll need iOS 14.0 or later for Apple devices, or a modern Android equivalent. Second, launch it and select West Virginia WIC. Third, register using that 16-digit card number printed right on the front of your eWIC card. Fourth, hop over to the My Benefits section, and your current and future benefits will automatically download. And fifth, you are now totally ready to use the built-in barcode scanner while you shop. It is incredibly straightforward. Moving right along to Section 3, Checking your WIC balance. Let's explore some other secure digital avenues to check that ledger. So while WIC Shopper is amazing, you can also download the official FIS EBT Edge mobile app. It offers the exact same secure functionality as the desktop cardholder portal, just optimized for your phone. To set it up, you register a new user ID, which can be anywhere from 4 to 35 characters long, and a password. Next, set up 3 security challenge questions. Then link your 16-digit card. And the coolest part, you can use Face ID or Touch ID for highly secure instant balance checks while you're literally on the go. Now, if you're not a fan of downloading apps and prefer using a mobile web browser instead, you can just use the WIC participant portal. Just navigate to www.wichousehold.wicvhdhr.org. You'll log in using your family ID, which, remember, always starts with an F, or your EBT card number along with your last name and date of birth. From there, you can easily check itemized balances, find clinic locations, and even schedule your upcoming appointments. Let's head into Section 4, Practical Shopping Tips. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how these tools actually work for you in real time, right there in the grocery store aisle.
So let's contrast the feedback you get from the WIC Shopper barcode scanner. When you scan a product, if it says 64 allowed, that means the product is WIC approved and you have enough balance, in this case 64 ounces, to buy it. But if it says insufficient benefits, it means the item itself is WIC approved, but you simply don't have enough of this specific benefit left in your current balance. Knowing exactly what these messages mean totally eliminates that checkout anxiety.
But hey, what if you have spotty cell service and don't have mobile internet access at the store? No problem at all. You can always check the point of sale balance slip printed directly on your receipt after a transaction. You can also call the 24/7 automated customer service line at 1-844-309-5653 to get an automated balance readout. Or call the EBT Mountain State Helpline at 1-866-545-6502 to verify any recent deposits. These offline alternatives make sure you're never left in the dark. All right, Section 5, Account Security and Support. Because keeping your digital benefits safe is honestly just as important as knowing how to spend them. I need you to pay super close attention to this security warning. Only use the official EBT Edge and WIC Shopper apps. Please do not use non-FIS apps like Propel or Providers for your West Virginia benefits. If you have those third-party apps on your phone right now, you really should delete them and stick exclusively to the encrypted, state-approved applications. That is hands down the absolute best way to protect your personal data. And here are a few more vital security best practices. Never give your PIN to anyone. Seriously, not even agency staff. It is for your use only. Rest easy knowing that the data transmitted through the official apps is fully encrypted in transit. Also, remember you have total control. You can use the EBT Edge app to instantly freeze your card if you ever suspect unauthorized access. And if your card is lost or stolen, call 1-844-309-5653 immediately to report it and lock down your account. And here we are at Section 6, Conclusion and Disclaimers. So the crucial point is that these digital tools are explicitly designed to put the power and peace of mind right back in your hands as parents. So let me leave you with this. Will you eliminate checkout anxiety by setting up your WIC Balance app today? I really encourage you to take that immediate empowering action based on everything we've just covered today so you can shop with total confidence from now on. And before we sign off, just a quick official disclaimer. This explainer is an educational guide. Always verify all details with official West Virginia WIC resources. You can contact WVWIC directly at 1-844-601-0365 or visit dhr.wv.gov/WIC for the absolute most accurate and updated information. The USDA is an equal opportunity provider and employer. Thank you so much for joining us for this explainer, and hey, here is to a totally stress-free grocery shopping experience.